Modern Home Lab. This home upgrade changed everything. Sometimes a home doesn't need more space. It just needs the right upgrade. This house looked ordinary. Comfortable. But forgettable. Nothing about it stood out. It worked. But it didn't inspire. The rooms felt closed off. Light struggled to move through the space. The layout felt heavy. The atmosphere felt quiet. Not calm. Just dull. Most homes don't have a space problem. They have a design problem. People think upgrades mean spending more money. Bigger furniture. More rooms. More features. But the real issue is flow. How rooms connect. How light travels. How the space feels when you walk in. This home didn't need more things. It needed clarity. It needed intention. It needed one smart change. The upgrade wasn't dramatic. It was deliberate. Walls were opened just enough. Not removed completely. Just enough to let the space breathe. Natural light changed everything. The rooms felt wider. Brighter. More connected. Lighting was redesigned. Not brighter. Warmer. Softer. placed with purpose. Materials were simplified. Fewer colors. Cleaner lines. Less visual noise. Suddenly, the home felt larger. Not because it grew, but because it flowed. The space felt calm. Balanced. Intentional. Every element had a reason. Nothing about the square footage changed. The walls stayed where they were. The room stayed the same size. But the feeling changed completely. The energy shifted. The home felt alive. This is where design becomes powerful. When a space feels better. Not just looks better. After the upgrade. The home told a different story. Natural light defined the rooms. Shadows softened. Textures stood out. Furniture felt intentional. Not crowded. Not excessive. Just right. Movement through the home felt effortless. Nothing blocked the eye. Nothing interrupted the flow. This wasn't luxury because it was expensive. It was luxury because it was thoughtful. Here's what most people don't realize. Upgrades like this increase value. Not just comfort. Buyers don't fall in love with measurements. They fall in love with feelings. A home that feels good. Feels valuable. Feels memorable. And one upgrade can change that instantly. Not louder. Not bigger. Just better. A home doesn't need to be rebuilt to be transformed. Sometimes one upgrade is enough. Enough to change everything. If you enjoy modern design, smart upgrades, and homes that feel as good as they look, you're in the right place. Welcome to Modern Home Lab.